What's up? Yo, it's Mohammed. That's Jerry.
Well, I guess I'm sharing like,
oh shit. This is what the cars you see in PX, guy. See a Ferrari, bro. 450 Italian. Yo, I'm gonna put it on Facebook. Let's go, take a picture. Let's go. Bro, it's a car to see in PX, guy. People don't know the real P. Holy shit. And guess what? It's not a rental. Look, it's 6 plate. Holy shit. No, it's not. Bro, this is like a limited edition, fuck. Holy shit. Holy shit. It's a nice car. Bro, it looks like a company's car. Bijutri sector. You know how much you can get this car for? 200-300. Huh?
Windows open.
Yo, it's so low to the floor. Okay, let's check out the other one. Yeah. Ferrari versus Lamborghini. Yeah, I'm gonna jack some shit inside. I don't know. The guy probably left like, holy, oh, he's gonna leave. Yo, hear the engine, hear the engine, hear the engine, hear the engine. Shut up, shut up. Move, truck. I'm sorry. Oh shit, it's a Diablo. Yo, the guy's being a bitch and not starting the car.
Huh?
He's being a bitch and not starting the car. Yo, I'm rich too. I got a BlackBerry playbook.
You're still like 10 minutes here for one next Audi in the back. Right now,
a fucking Audi. Now it's a Lambo.
Now it looks like a...
No, that car looks fucking awesome. Yo, bro, you jelly? You jelly, bro? Yo, tell the Lamborghini guy, you jelly?
What do you mean?
You heard that?
The bottom looks like a Countach.
Countach?
Yeah, the Countach.
Countach?
I don't know. Oh, it's Countach. I know it's Countach.
What, the car?
Yeah, the car with those headlights that go up like this.
Countach?
Yeah.
Lamborghini Countach. No, that's like the... Yo, which one would you want? I want the Ferrari because it's more latest looking. So it's got nice rims. It got like glossy shit. I like the doors on that one. No, you could get a door like that on a freaking shitty car.
But I like that.
Yeah, I guess it comes stock, you know. This car is nice. You wanna hear it rev?
This thing was called B Suites, and they had like some nice suites.
Yo, this is a company car. It's not like this is. Oh shit, the police. Oh shit.
He's keeping it.
The cop's gonna give him a ticket. Yeah.
If he was back.
Oh look, he's glaring at the car. He's glaring at the car. Yes sir, officer, pull over for looking at that car. Yo, you going to Mount Royal or PX? Oh shit. Yeah, I got a boner. No, I'm joking. Yo, hear him leave. Yo, he's gonna put his feet down. Watch, I can tell. Remember the day when like I told you the vehicle he's gonna jet off. Watch. Cause the police is gonna go somewhere. He's gonna go somewhere. Oh shit. I'll put this on my DP, but I can't take a picture of myself with the shitty BlackBerry. Yo, leave. You see, BMWs and Audis are not in our eyes anymore. You know, it's just that. Oh, that's a rare car, I'm telling you. That's probably gonna be the first and last.
First we saw an R8, then we see two fucking red, nice cars.
Italian cars.
Yeah. The cop's not moving. I think the cop's gonna wait until...
Bro, it's freaking red light. How is he gonna go?
He's going.
Oh, they're gonna have a drag race. He's gonna set up like spike strips.
Yes, Christy's gonna...
Yeah, imagine you just take his gun out and like shots him in the head. Like, that's for getting a nice car.
Oh, you shoots the wheels?
No, bro. These cars are low. Fuck. These cars are low. Did you ever see an R8 like close?
The car's not gonna park next to the...
Oh shit, look, it's jetting. It's gonna jet. Fucking STM buses in my way. Fuck. Fucking jet. Oh shit. You hear that? Get back to the Ferrari. Yo, you want to take some DPs with it?
Yeah, sure.
Huh?
Sure.
Yeah? Alright, let's go. Let's go take this.